Today we will discuss a very important and interesting trigonometric problem which came in the joint entrance main exam in the 2023. Today we will find the value of 36 into 4 cos square 9 degree minus 1 into 4 cos square 27 degree minus 1 into 4 cos square 81 degree minus 1 into 4 cos square 243 degree minus 1. In order to solve this equation, we will use a very trick. Let us see how we will solve this problem. Come to the solution. We can express as 4 cos square 9 degree minus 1 is equal to 4 into 1 minus sin square 9 degree minus 1, multiplying by both 4 into 1 4 minus 4 sin square 9 degree minus 1, then subtracting 1 from 4 and subtracting 4 minus 1, we get finally 3 minus 4 sin square 9 degree. Now here we will use a trigonometric formula, that is we know that, how do you know, the sin 3 theta equal to 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta. Now we will take sin theta common, then it becomes sin theta into 3 minus 4 sin square theta. So 3 minus 4 sin square theta becomes sin 3 theta by sin theta. So keep it in mind, we will use this formula in this particular problem, that sin 3 theta by sin theta equal to 3 minus 4 sin square theta. Using this formula, from here we can write 3 minus 4 sin square 9 degree as sin 27 degree by sin 90 degree. Actually this becomes sine of 3 into 9 degree by sin 9 degree. So it becomes sin 27 degree by sin 9 degree. Similarly, from 4 cos square 27 degree minus 1, after simplifying in the previous manner, we will get 3 minus 4 sin square 27 degree. Using that formula, sin 3 theta by sin theta equal to 3 minus 4 sin square theta, we will get from here sin of 3 into 27 degree by sin 27 degree. It is become sin 81 degree by sin 27 degree. For the third expression, 4 cos square 81 degree, using the same method, we get 4 into 1 minus sin square 81 degree minus 1, that is 3 minus 4 sin square 81 degree, that is sin into 3 into 81 degree by sin 81 degree. So it becomes sin 243 degree by sin 81 degree. And finally, for the expression 4 cos square 243 degree minus 1, following this step, we finally got the value as sin 729 degree by sin 243 degree. So we get this together 1, that is another 1, 2, 3 and 4. Using this formula in the expression, using this formula in the expression 36 4 cos square 9 degree minus 1 4 cos square 27 degree minus 1 4 cos square 81 degree minus 1 4 cos square 243 degree minus 1, we putting those values, sin 27 by sin 9 degree, Sine 81 by sine 27 degree, sine 243 degree by sine 81 degree, sine 72 by sine 243 degree. Now we clearly saw this cancel out, this also cancels out, this also cancels out, remaining the term 36 into sine 729 degree by sine 90 degree, that is sine 36 degree, and now sine 729 degree, it can be expressed as sine of 360 degree plus 2 plus 9 degree. So it comes in the first, second, third, fourth plus 9 degree. It comes in the first quadrant. So this is in the first quadrant. You know that in the first quadrant it will be sine 9 degree. So this sine cancel each other. So finally we get the value 36. So the expression, the value of these expressions becomes 36. If you like the way of solution, please comment and like. Thank you.